In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blank signature field in a fillable PDF form using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This process is essential for anyone looking to craft professional and functional PDF forms that require digital signatures. It's a straightforward procedure, and by following these steps, you'll have a blank signature field ready to go in no time. To get started, you'll first need to open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. This file will be the basis of your form, and it's important that you have it ready before proceeding. Once your file is open, direct your attention to the top left corner of the window where you'll find an option labeled All Tools. Clicking on this will unveil an array of Adobe Acrobat features tailored to form creation and editing. Next, look for and select the Prepare a Form tool. This feature is designed to help you convert your regular PDF into a fillable form with ease. When you click on Prepare a Form, you'll be prompted to select the file you wish to use, so go ahead and click on Select File. Choose your PDF document, and once it's highlighted, proceed by clicking on Create Form. This action initiates the transformation of your standard PDF into a format that can accommodate interactive fields such as checkboxes and signature spaces. Now, on the left side of the screen, locate and click on the tool labeled Digital Signature. This is the key feature that lets you add spaces for signatures within your document. With the Digital Signature tool active, move your cursor to the spot on your PDF where you'd like the signature field to appear. With a simple click, a blank signature field is placed right onto your document. After adding the signature field, it's wise to test everything to ensure it works as intended. Find the preview button at the bottom left of the screen and give it a click. This allows you to enter a mode where you can interact with the form just as a user would find it. Check to make sure the signature field functions correctly, and any other fields you've added respond as expected. Once you're satisfied with the preview, your final step is to click on Exit Preview. This brings you back to the editing interface where you can make further adjustments if needed, or save your finalized document. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a blank signature field to a PDF form using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This functionality helps streamline document processing and provides a professional touch to any digital paperwork needing signatures. Happy form creating!